This is Tiffany, and welcome back to Tea with Tiffany, where I share daily financial wisdom and trendy market analysis. Remember to like and share and leave your tea and comments down below. So, on to our daily financial wisdom of the day. An investment is simply a gamble in which you're managed to tilt the odds in your favor. Okay, so that's our daily financial wisdom of the day. We're going to move over to our chart analysis to see how we are trading, to make sure we're still trading within the trend. So our first one we're going to look at, as usual, is EUR USD. Okay, friends, this is still a buy market. We have our buy market, our buy order in. Because the market pulled back a little bit, it's probably due to just the holiday period, but we're waiting patiently. It's all about patience, friends, for the market to rally, okay? But we do have our buy order in there ready to go. GBP USD. This was a buy market where we had a buy order in. We also had a stop loss at our entry point. So because the pullbacks were significant enough, it actually hit our stop loss at our entry point and knocked us out the market. No loss for us, okay? And we're not, for right now, we're not going to get back into this market as of yet. We're just going to keep studying this market and see whether or not the trend will change due to the pullbacks of this market. USD CHF. This is a sell market. We've been selling this market. We jumped in. We're making great profits. So first rule of trading here at our speedy signals is to pay yourself first, okay? We always pay ourselves first. The second rule of trading is to make sure you have, once the market starts to rally, we go ahead and drop our stop loss in at our entry point. So in the event the market turns around, pulls back, it will knock us out the market, okay? So we drop our stop loss in after the market starts to pull away. We're seeing good profits. Then we're going to drop the stop loss in. Okay. Okay. So friends, our third rule is that our buy sell indicator is our 50 period moving average. Now, when that indicator moves in between the 200 and the 500 simple moving average, that is our no placing any trades when our 50 period moving average moves into that zone. So that's where this market is currently at now. For everybody else who got in early, great, pay yourselves first. Okay, first rule of trading, pay yourself first. If you didn't have the opportunity to get in, let's wait. Okay, you'll have more opportunities to get into this market or any market. USD JPY. This is a sell market. We got our sell order in. The market did pull back on us a little bit, but we're going to wait and see and be patient to see if the market pulls down. And then when it takes off and starts to pull down, we're going to drop our stop loss in or the entry point and let the trade ride. And we're going to pay ourselves every day. Usually if you have a large enough lot size, you can pay yourself a lot every day off of each of your markets, okay? EUR CHF. This is a buy market. We're buying it. Everything looks good. Pay yourself first, okay? Drop your stop loss in at your entry point if you haven't already done that. EUR GBP. This is a buy market. We got notification the other day that this market had turned to buy. So we place our buy stop order in there. The market is really slow. It has not rallied to even hit our buy order. So we're just waiting patiently until the market takes off. Could be this week. We can't be for sure, or it could be early next week after the holiday. EUR JPY. This is a sell market. We got our sell order in, and then we dropped our stop loss in at our sell order at our entry point. So we're just going to pay ourselves every day off of this market. Pay yourself a lot size, skim off the top, put that stop loss in, and let this trade ride. So friends, sometimes these trends can last anywhere from 6 months to 2 years. So we like to get in at the inception. Anytime the trend changes, we jump right in there because these trends can be long-term trends. So if we have a large enough lot size, we're just paying ourselves off of these markets. And then we drop our stop loss in at our entry point. GBP CHF. this, friends, we are getting word that this market is going to be a sell market, okay? Sell market for GBP CHF. So if you want to go ahead and drop in your sell stop order, go ahead and do it. You can be, or you can probably wait tomorrow. But either way, the market is giving us the first indicator that this market is going to be a sell market, okay? GBP, JPY. Okay, friends, this is another sell market. We had our sell order in. The market pulled back on us. We're going to wait and see if it should pull back down. Once the market gets rolling, we're starting to see some profits. We're going to drop our stop loss at our entry point, and then we're just going to ride it out, okay? CHF, JPY. Okay, this is a sell market. We got our sell order in. The market seems to now start some movement. Like I said, the markets have been really sluggish due to the holiday. So we have another holiday coming up. So we're seeing not a very robust market right now. So next week, after the holiday, we should probably see a lot more action here. Okay, so we are going to move over to our oil market. So we're going to open up our chart and we're going to take a look at our oil market. So we're going to get that up here on our screen. And so the first market we're going to take a look at Brent crude, friends. The Brent crude market. So as you can see here, the 50 period moving average is positioned in between the 200 and the 500. So that is our no buy, no sell time that we do not place any trades with when the market looks like this, have this appearance. So that goes for that particular market. So there's no action. If you're not already in this market, we just leave that market alone, okay? Now we're going to take a look at Brent spot. This is another market where the 50 period moving average is positioned in between the 200 and 500. So that is our no trade zone. But let's take a look at WTI crude, friends. Let's take a look at this market here. Okay, as you can see that the 50 period moving average has moved out from between the 200 and the 500. We talked yesterday we placed our sell order in there because as you can see, there's red shading here, right here. So that's clear indication that this is a strong sell market. So we jump in. Whenever these trends change, we jump right in with both feet. We drop in our sell order. So we dropped in our sell order. We are seeing a little bit of profits. But after the holiday, we're going to really see these markets take off, okay? We're also going to take a look at, let's take a look at WTI spot. Okay, so here's another market that we are actually in as well. We got our sell order. We can see that the green 50 period moving average has moved outside of the 200 and the 500, so it's not in the middle of that no more. We can see that the shading is red, which denotes a sell market, so we jumped in early. Like I said, we like to get in at the beginning of a trend, and this is the beginning of a sell market trend. So we like to jump in with both feet and ride these markets out. So go ahead, if you haven't done it, get your sell orders in there, okay? The next market we're going to take a look at is Bitcoin. That is another market that people are very interested in. So we're going to bring that chart up. Okay, so as you can see, the green 50 period moving average is outside of the 200 and 500. We see that the shading is red, so this still denotes a sell market. So we are still selling this market. It's just not much volatility happening due to the holidays. And plus, this is not a very robust, volatile market. These coins aren't. So a lot of people, you have to make a decision whether or not you want to trade these particular markets, these coins, because they're not very robust. They're not very volatile. It's not a lot of movement up or down. So you just have to kind of make up your mind, make your choice. Okay. Okay. So let us move over to ETH/USD. This is also a sell market, slow moving market. If you're going to get in it, sell stop orders, but these are slow moving markets. LTC/USD. This is a buy market, friends. The pullbacks, we were buying this market, but the pullbacks actually hit our stop loss at our entry point, knocked us out the market. We are not going to place another buy order in this market due to the significant pullbacks that are happening. We're going to wait until the trend changes, okay? We'll get word out to you there. Okay, so let us take a look at silver. Let's bring our chart open. And we're going to take a look at silver. This is another market that people are interested in. So we're going to open up this chart here. Okay, so friends, as you can see, so the first thing that you notice is that the green 50-period moving average is positioned in between the 200 and the 500. So if you don't already have your trade in this market, stay out of it until the 50-period moving average exits out from between these 2 points, okay? But for everyone else, we got in before the 50-period moving average moved into that no buy, no trade zone. And as you can see, the shading is blue. So we went ahead and placed our buy order a while ago. And so we've been buying this market and we've been paying ourselves off of this market. There's nothing better, friends, to just pay yourself. We got our stop loss in at our entry point and we've just been paying ourselves every day. It's a beautiful thing, friends. Beautiful thing. It also makes trading non-emotional because we follow the trend. The market will tell us when the trend changes. It will turn from red to blue. When it turns from red to blue, the trend changes. So we jump out, reposition, and we're going in the right direction. We don't never want to be trading in the wrong direction. When the market says to change, we change. Okay, so we're going to take a look at silver. We're going to get that chart up here. Okay, so this chart is up here. Now with silver, we see that the blue shading here, that denotes that this is a buy market. We do have our buy order in here. There were some slight pullbacks in this particular market, but we're going to hold our trade. So we hold our trades until the market tells us that that trend has ended. And then so we don't continue to trade the same trade when the trend has ended. We change. We take our minor loss and we reposition. And so we're able to make up. So once we're going in the right direction per the market, we make up those losses. And that is how we trade. Best thing ever, friends. And it's not emotional. This is not about emotions. It's about what the market says. Okay? Okay, friends. So we're going to move over to USD MXN. Okay, friends, this is a sell market. If you're going to get into this, sell stop orders only, okay? It had pulled back, but it looks like now it's pulling back down. So if you want to get back in this market, sell stop orders only. EURNOK. This is a buy market. We've been buying this for a while. There's little minor, the market did pull back, the market did pull back, but we're going to wait and to see if the market should rally in the morning. So it's all about patience. USD NOK. This is a sell market. We have our sell order. Minor pullbacks are happening here. We're just going to wait and see if this market should pull down, okay? USD SEK. This is also a sell market, friends. We have a sell stop order in here. The market has never pulled back down to even hit our sell order. It's pulling back, but we're going to keep our sell order in there in the event that the market does start. There's some movement in the market. Like I said, the market is kind of sluggish because of the holidays. But we're going to wait and see what the market tells us, okay? We follow what the market says is what we go by. We don't listen to news or speculations. The market will tell you which direction you should be trading. Like I mentioned before, there's a lot of different strings that is pulling on a country's currency. There's a lot of different things that will dictate the currency rate of a country. We do not, as traders, have all of the information about the ins and outs to make wise decision about whether we're going to buy or whether we're going to sell. And even if we did have all the information, it doesn't tell you still which way to go with that information. But the way we trade here is that the market tells you. We don't listen to trends. We don't listen to any of that. We listen to what the market tells us, okay? USD SGD, this is a sell market. We've been selling this for a while and we've just been paying ourselves. Now, for everyone who's not in this market, this is our no buy, no sell, market here that we're not doing anything with for those who are not already in the market. USD ZAR. Okay, this is a sell market. We got our sell order in here. We're just waiting for some for the market to really speed up, more volatility, some action to happen, maybe in the morning. If not, probably tomorrow. Most likely, we're going to see some action next week after the holiday. Okay. Okay, let's take a look at CAD CHF. And this is another chart that we've been tracking. So let me just bring that chart up on the screen, and that's CAD CHF. Okay, so here we go, friends. Here's this particular market. So we see how the green 50 period moving average is outside of the 200 and the 500. And then we see that the shading is red, which denotes a strong